So most people think they have to fix, rewire, revise, or control their thoughts to manifest. They spend hours trying to repeat affirmations and police every little doubt, try to choose their particular desire, decide on a particular identity, try to hold on to specific identities because that's what they've been told. Your thoughts create, so watch them carefully, or you need to shift your identity ASAP. But here's the problem. Trying to fix your thoughts just reinforces the idea that you are your thoughts. And if you think you're your thoughts, that your thoughts alone, then you're stuck in an endless loop of managing them. So what is actually keeping you stuck? Believing that you are the one who needs fixing, right? Mistaking yourself for this fixer identity. And here's something you won't really hear from most manifestation teachers or places. Your thoughts are not the problem. Your identification with them is. No one tells you this because they either don't know or they wouldn't be able to sell you the mindset fixes. So, how many times have you tried to fix your thoughts? Be honest with yourself, only to end up feeling even more obsessed with them. That's because controlling thoughts is not the way out. The way out is recognizing that you're not just your thoughts to begin with. And you know what it's like, you're feeling great, you're having a lovely day, and then bam, an intrusive thought comes in right when you're getting a smoothie with your friend or when you're scrolling on Instagram. And you're thinking, what if I ruin my manifestation thinking this? What if my doubt means that I won't get what I want? What if I'm subconsciously blocking it? What if I'm just going to be stuck in this old identity the whole time? And suddenly you're spiraling, trying to undo the thought, trying to feel better, trying to, even fix your vibration, trying to fix your identity. But do you see the trick here? The moment you try to fix the thought, you've already fallen for the illusion. You've believed that the thought was yours to fix. So what do you do instead? Instead of trying to control your thoughts, just pause. Right now, pause and ask yourself, sit back, relax. Are you aware? And are you aware of being aware? You'll say yes. And what are the qualities of this awareness? Just be with these qualities for a few moments. And notice your thoughts come and go, but something is always here watching them, witnessing them, noticing them. That something is you, not your thoughts. What is this experience like? And it's like identifying with the blank screen instead of the images playing on it, right? And this is the guided pause method. It's not even really a method, it's a way of being. And it changes everything. So instead of getting tangled in fixing, you just notice. And in that noticing, the grip of thoughts loosens, sometimes instantly, sometimes gradually. And let me give you an example. One of my clients was, of course, obsessed with getting rid of negative thoughts. She thought every time she had a doubt, it was messing up her manifestation and that she needed to affirm harder over it. But after using these guided pauses, this guided pause method, somatic inquiry, something clicked. She stopped trying to fix her thoughts. She simply noticed them and realized they had no power unless she got attached to them. And gradually, the anxiety stopped running her life. She manifested her dream job, I think I mentioned before she realized that she stopped trying hard, because she finally got it. Manifestation is not about fixing your thoughts or policing your thoughts. It's about seeing they never defined you in the first place. They were never the problem. So the next time a thought arises, instead of fixing it, getting away from it, affirming over it, just pause, notice, see for what it is, just a passing cloud. You don't need to fight your thoughts. You don't need to rewire your brain. You don't need to micromanage your vibration or your actions, because you were never just your thoughts to begin with. And when you really see this, manifestation stops being something you try to do. It becomes what it always was, effortless. And being effortless is not lazy. It's the most active thing ever. And if you want to dive deeper into this, I guide people through this exact process in my one-on-one coaching and guided pauses through somatic inquiry, because I know it's not always easy to be like, oh, it's just a thought, right? When you're so attached to a story. And that's where I come in, for giving you that experience to prepare you to handle your patterns. Not just pep you up and be like, oh, you got this, or, oh, that's just a thought, forget about it, just choose, just decide. Oh my God, I know you're tired of it, okay? So if you want to explore coaching, you'll find the description in the link below. If you want to explore any of my mini experiences, like seeing that you're one with your desires, you have the Weightless Experience and Unwind, and also have the new audio coaching. You'll find it in the links below. And I'll see you in the comments. I would love to hear your insights, big and small.